Say to the vlog.
What up, vlog, man? We got my sister graduation today. It's the big day going on. How you feeling?
Good.
2019. We in here, man. It's lit.
Just like
2019.
I'm them kids' pappy.
Right here.
They daddy is the mailman.
He the mailman.
If he come up here, he gonna get mailed his ass away. Yeah, we did it. God is good all the time. 2019.
Yeah.
Be there, be square.
It's a movie.
I don't care if it's from Delaware.
Boom.
What we got over here?
Who gonna vlog for me? I'm gonna do my mama lips.
Oh, snap. It's all over my face.
Y'all supposed to be vlogging for me.
Well, you shouldn't have been this photographer. That's what you got this degree in.
Yep.
What are you doing anyway?
I'm up to do my mama lips.
Graduation day and you the one doing work. That is crazy.
Still working.
Don't mind my room, y'all. It's
We in here, man. Today the day. You know?
Bug.
Hey,
Let me get there.
Kiki, you should have been in the wave.
Hey, wait, do me. Hey guys, my name is Tianti. I'm Clara's little sister, and today is her graduation. She did a really good job.
Graduation day.
Yeah, I like my new case.
That my
So
Let
peace.
me get to her. That my weak today.
You weak, little ugly little dude. Which one will she choose? The white girl blonde? Black girl sass?
Rubber man.
Tune in to find out. What kind of lip are you doing?
Ombre.
Ombre. Mmm. Interesting. Ooh. This look like a college dorm, don't it, y'all? Well, college dorm beds aren't this big, but
Ooh, I like that.
You like it? See, I
ew, I like that.
I don't like colors like that. I get scared like in public.
Why?
I don't know.
Be bold.
You gotta be bold.
Book coming with y'all.
Cool.
Yeah, because she ain't gonna let us take no pictures.
Who am going job? Debo, if he ready.
Oh, he's pulling up now.
I'm gonna let y'all drive. I'm gonna sit in the back and chill.
Gotta come down here and take pictures, man.
He already got it.
He already got it. Yeah, we vlogging.
He said he gonna have to look good standing next to
Zoom in on your shirt.
Oh, you
Hey,
see it?
check out the chain.
Right there, brother. What they say? Seeing you.
Check out this one. Bling bling.
VVs. VVs.
Them VVs.
VVs. Do the diamond tester.
Oh.
Daddy.
I didn't tell nobody going to your little funky graduation.
Is that mommy baby?
That don't want me. She like she's scared of me with all this stuff on. She won't let me hold it. Come on.
Let me see your shirt. Show your shirt to the camera. Ooh. Check out the boots. Ooh wee.
Pink boots.
You stay with some candy in your mouth.
Look at your shirt on. Take the picture.
Alright, let's go.
How my hair look?
Good. As good as I could tell you it look.
You ain't popping enough. It'll be better if you do that. And then look through it. Do what now? Look at me. Gotta get some. You know, I'm a pro at taking pictures. Oh no.
Doing this
I
right.
like that one though, look. Look. Oh, that's cute. I know, huh? Cause I'm a beast. Cause I can park over there. Look like. Okay.
I gotta record you recording her. Alright.
I'm cold, man. I need to be a photographer. Look that way.
Right, action.
I mean, they know right now. We can get to it. You should lay down. I'll just lay in that fight.
Got it. You need help getting up there?
I would get up there for one of them.
Super photographer over here.
Got me on my knees and whatnot.
Let's go. How good I am at this, but we're gonna find out. Nah.
This don't make no sense. She don't want to walk in these heels.
They hurt.
Whatever. You so dramatic.
Oh, stop.
He tired, y'all.
You need your ass whooped.
Yes, you are. My bad, it was in my pocket.
I'm cold, bro.
What a gentleman.
Yeah, I see it right there. Look.
She can hear us though. Y'all see she can look at us.
All right, y'all. I'm sorry. Just excited. Oh, yeah!
You finna lose your voice.
Yeah, T! I don't care.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, T! Wow! Can she see us?
I think she can, but she can't. You see T? Look at T.
With all rights, privileges, and responsibilities pertaining thereto. Congratulations and fire up!
Clara Bryant.
Yeah! That's my baby. That's my baby.
Our newest alumni, as you leave the arena today, you will be handed a gift from me to each of you. No matter where you live, no matter where you study next or where you work, from Michigan to California, to Texas, New York, or Washington, D.C., in Europe or Asia, stay true to CMU. Show the world what it means to be a Central Michigan University graduate. Chippewas, no matter where life takes you, I ask you to fly your colors boldly and proudly. Fire up, Chips! This brings our ceremony to a close, but we ask all guests please remain in their seats until all graduates have exited the arena.